Undergo. To experience something, often a change or something unpleasant. Example: she had to undergo surgery to fix her broken arm. Encircle. To surround something completely. Example: the soldiers encircled the enemy base. Unwind. To relax after a period of work or stress. Example: after a long day at work, she likes to unwind by reading a book. Beseech. To urgently and fervently ask someone for something. Example: he beseeched his boss to give him another chance. Blissful. Extremely happy or full of joy. Example: their wedding day was a blissful moment for the couple. Behold. To see or observe something remarkable or impressive. Example: behold the beauty of the sunset. Assort. To arrange or classify things into groups. Example: the chocolates were assorted by flavor in the box. Applaud. To clap hands as a sign of approval or admiration. Example: the audience applauded the singer's outstanding performance. Enlarge. To make something bigger in size. Example: they decided to enlarge their house to make room for a new baby. Harass. To disturb or bother someone persistently. Example: the worker complained about being harassed by his colleague. Penniless. Having no money. Example: after losing his job, he found himself penniless. Deflate. To feel less confident. Example: her excitement deflated when she heard the bad news. Embarrass. To make someone feel awkward or ashamed. Example: he felt embarrassed when he tripped in front of everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.